Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make oxtail stew, Southern style. Okay? Alright guys, these are the ingredients that you're going to need. This is what I'm going with. I'm going with some diced tomatoes and green chilies. 1 can of that. Some Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, right there. This is going to kick it up right here. That red wine. I got some 2 packages of Sazon. I have 3 medium carrots. I have half a bell pepper right here. I have some butter, some flour, 4 of these potatoes right here. These are like Yukon. There's actually 6 of these right here. I'm sorry. This is a whole onion, beefy onion by Lipton, granulated with some caramelized onion, some pink sea salt, some black pepper, some garlic granulated, celery salt right here, and some thyme right there. And I also have like 3 cups of water right here. I'm gonna mix 1 of these packages with that. So we just go ahead and start putting this stuff together. First thing we're gonna start with is some of this olive oil. Put a generous amount on that, just like so. I'm gonna come in here with some salt. Alright, so this is going to be probably like about roughly like a teaspoon or whatever. I'm going to come in here with some granulated caramelized onion. So about a teaspoon, tablespoon or whatever. This right here is some black pepper. Like a teaspoon of that. Some thyme. Like a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon, depending on how much you want. Some celery salt, maybe like a half a teaspoon of that. Of garlic, granulated. Okay. It's gonna have a lot of flavor to this, guys. All right, now we're gonna come in here with some of this Sazon. I normally used to flour mine up and brown it up like that, but today I'm doing it a little bit different. So we just put our hands in here and mix away. You take them 1 at a time, go like this. Okay, we're gonna take this over there to the stove and sear this. Okay, guys? And like so, like that. Alright. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm just going to put some olive oil in here. Enough to coat this pan. So we got to sear this on all sides. So we're just going to put that in there. Now, if you the type that like to flour yours up like I normally do, but I'm not doing that today. I do have this on medium heat, fam. These little small ones, you just gonna sit them out there in here like so. Let these cook for like about 5 minutes on each side, and you just flip them. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. We're gonna start turning these. They ain't gotta be super brown and all like that. You just trying to sear some of this juices in. Give me a little color on there. Oh, you ain't never had Braised Oxtail stew. You missing out. I'm not going to lie to you. This is one good recipe. I'm not going to tell you no stories, guys. Guys definitely want to make this. Alright, I'm going to let this cook on each side. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next. Make sure it's on medium low now. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam. These are been cooked, seared. Now I'm going to take these out. I'm going to put this in the pressure cooker. Alright. Alright, fam, I'm back. I'm just going to come in here with this red wine. Like a cup of that. Beefy onion Lipton soup stuff. Pour that in there. We're gonna cook this, fam. Lid on here. I'm always having a hard time getting these lids on here. Let's go like that, huh? Alright, we're gonna cook this for about a good hour. Like an hour. Alright, guys. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Fam, I'm back. I'm gonna come in here with these onions and bell peppers. Medium low. When we saute these up, we're going to come in here with our flour. I like to put a little bit of butter in mine. And put a little butter in there. This is what I'm going to do. Take this flour, put that in there. That's right. Try to mix all this stuff up together. So this is going to be our little roux. You got to cook that flour out, that flour taste out, so that's what I'm doing. Let that simmer for a second. A quarter cup of red wine. Like a splash of this Worcestershire sauce. Cup of water. You don't want too much because this is going to be our little roux. Because we got to thicken up our stuff, okay? So this is all we're doing, guys. And we're just going to let this simmer. This in here, these diced tomatoes and green chilies. When this get thick, we're just going to turn it off, and when our stuff get done, we're going to pour this in there. And that on our oxtails. And I'll see you guys on the next step in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Just go ahead and start messing with these potatoes. Like I said, I want the skin on mine. And I will be serving my beefy oxtail stew. Oxtail stew up with some rice. So look forward to that. Well, you know about it because you're going to have that thumbnail, so. Take that part off. Take that part off. Just chop it like so. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam. This is done. I'm just letting the pressure out, and we're going to start putting this stuff together. Alright, let me show you the carrots. That's what we got right here. Alright. Got that. And we got our gravy right here. It's been sitting waiting. Alright. So when that gets done, we put it all together, and we'll go from there. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, take this off. See if I can bring this down a little bit here. Alright. Let's check, see how tender those are. Oh, they tender. Fall off the bone tender. Look at that. Yes, sir. So we still got to cook it a little bit longer. So I'm just giving this a good stir. Carrots and potatoes in here. Like that. Put these bay leaves in there. Pour this stuff in here, this gravy. Excuse me for all the noise. Pour this in here. That's good enough. Give this a mix. So we're going to cook this for a good 20 minutes. Alright. Give that a taste. Make sure we got seasoning in there. Yep, you don't need nothing else. Ooh wee. That must taste good. I do have some rice as well. Made some rice, fam. So I'm gonna put that on that rice. We're gonna go ahead and let this cook, fam. I'm ready to eat now. OMG. Turn this bad boy on. Like that about 20 minutes. See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay, fam, I'm finally done with this beefy oxtail stew. All right, I'm gonna show you that up close. How that looks, fam. Got rice on there, like 3 oxtails on there. All you need, I guarantee to fill you up. Okay. I'm gonna put this back down because it's heavy. All right, fam. So guys, I'll bring this back in here. It's all over the place. So guys, if you like this video of this beefy oxtail stew, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And before I go, because I know some of y'all gonna want to be like, hey, can I taste that? So I'm just go ahead and grab you guys some. Told you it's fork tender. Fall off the bone. Get a little carrot, potato, and give you guys a taste. All right. That's how that looks. Hope you guys enjoy it, because I know I do. Melts right in your mouth. You just definitely got to try this recipe. So guys, saying that to say this, I'm up out of here because I'm ready to eat. Hope you enjoy yours in a minute. Much love.